What's up you guys, Jose here. In today's video, I'm gonna be changing out my switchbacks. I'm gonna take you guys along the way, step by step on how to remove the old switchbacks. And then I'm gonna test if expensive is actually more better. So I decided to change them out because the other day I noticed that this side was flickering. Because usually it's the front that's also supposed to project light. Right now it's just the surrounding of itself. See how there's the front part? That part wasn't projecting. See, this is how it's supposed to be. On this side, hold on. On this side, it's also the front that's projecting light instead of just the sides. So the switchbacks are back here and they're a little tough to get to. Can you see them? They're that red, white, and blue cable right there. You go in there, twist it, and pull it out. Ooh. Let's go, I finally took it out. So this motherfucker was on there. To remove it is really simple. Just twist and pull out, just like that. And these are 1157 bulbs. See? Alright, so these are the new switchbacks that I bought. These are $49.99, and this is the old one I had. I can't really see why the fronts weren't turning on anymore. They might have died out or something. But this is how it looked. They had LEDs all around. All of these died out too. So it has LEDs all the way around. LEDs in the front. There's new ones. This one has a fan in the front to cool it down from the high output that all these LEDs have. Side by side. The new one's way bigger, but there's no front projection from the new one. I'll put some key differences here on the screen. The new one, the old one. So here's the new bulbs. And this is the harness I had to run so that we wouldn't get that error code. And that error code creates hyper flash. So now to put it back in, we just plug it into the spot right here. So let me go ahead, just test them before we put them back in. I can see that it turns on slowly. What do you guys think? It's pretty bright. Brightness on two sides. And then back to white. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead, put this back, and it's gonna be the same way. Plug it in, twist it so it can lock. So I'm gonna go ahead, do the other side, and then I'll show you the end results. So when I was driving to work, this is one thing I also noticed. The white is bright, yes of course, but the amber light is even brighter. It's almost like I'm high beaming the person in front of me, as you can see in this video. Comment down below what you guys would like to see next on this car, or my truck, because I'm doing an off-road build. Alright, make sure to subscribe so you can keep up with the builds, and I'll see you guys in the next one.